Let's move on to the D minor chord. So again, basic shape here, just the 4 high strings, and I'm using my thumb to mute the low E and A strings. D minor. What happens if I lift the first finger? I can get a nice D sus2 chord. And what if I add the pinky here on the 3rd fret again? This is something we've been doing to a lot of these open chords. This is now a D sus4. Now I can change the shape quite a bit and I get this D-7 chord, right? Check it out. Now you might notice that you'll have to drop your thumb for this to get a good hold of this little bar. So make sure you take care of the muting, if not with the thumb, because you've dropped it, just with the right hand, yeah? Just make sure you're picking from the D string upwards. And then there's another really interesting shape here, even easier actually to play. This is a D-9 sus. Right? So that's what we've got. Let's revise. D minor, D sus2, D sus4, and then the, let's say, more advanced chords, it's a D-7 and a D-9 sus. Let's see how we can use those when we just strum on D minor, okay? So I can use a few of those shapes. I can use some hammer-ons if I like. See how much more melodic this minor 7 is? It immediately sounds more like a piano chord, if you like. Whereas the others, they're just more like normal block chords. But this has something, right? So make sure you try those out with some of the songs you like and experiment, of course. See what they remind you of and what they make you feel like, because you will definitely then use them accordingly. All right, let's go to the next video and make up a chord progression using those shapes. Have fun with those until then.